Blender for all.
Okay, we've made it to chapter 0. Yay! Yay for us. How do we get and install Blender?
Well, listen here, little lady. Let me tell you how to do it.
Let me tell you how to do it, little lady. So, we're going to head on over to Blender. Okay. So, here we are at Blender. We have made it on the web page. Right up here at the top is where I would like to draw your attention. Oh, yes. And we're at blender.org. So right here at the top is where I would like to draw your attention, the download button. My computer's so slow, so I have preloaded it. And this is where we will go if we click on that button. Okay, so I run a Macintosh computer, so I'm really just familiar with the Macintosh computer installation. So we have two choices, a PowerPC choice and an Intel choice. So if you don't know what you have, then you can easily come up to this little apple, click on it, about this Mac, and it'll tell you processor, Intel, right there is what I have. If you have a PowerPC, it'll say PowerPC or PPC right there. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, easy enough to download and install if you've installed anything else. You just download it, click on it, maybe double click on it, drag it to where you want it, those kinds of things in Mac. Okay, so I've never done it on Windows. And we have two choices here in Windows, Windows 32-bit and 64-bit. Windows is an enigma to me, but you have an installer here, and then you have a zip archive. Okay, and then there's a little note here about if you're having trouble running Blender on your Windows machine. Next we have the Linux, and we have a 32-bit and a 64-bit version for Linux. And I have installed it on Linux, but I was using Ubuntu, so I just went to the package installer, and the package installer was easy enough. It just said there was Blender, and I clicked on it, and I clicked install, and it did it for me. So my experience with Linux and Blender has been very smooth and easy. Mac, then there's Solaris and Irix. Hope I'm saying that right. I'm not sure. Okay, that's it. Basically, if you are going to have any problems, which you probably won't, you can solve them by going to, next tab over, blenderartists.org/forum. Here's the top here, and we just scroll down, and we have different categories for this forum. And we want to get down to the support forum, and there's basics and interface right here. And in basics and interface, we click on that, and we go to this page. And we scroll down just to this very first stuff, and it is these sticky threads. So these sticky threads, basically they mean that they are going to be there at all times because they're so useful. So on this one, we're going to go to solutions to common problems, and go ahead and enter in there and ask your questions, or it will actually probably answer most of your questions for you. And that's it. That's how you get it and install it. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye-bye-bye.